In this session, I'm going to discuss about how to get multiple rows from SQL Server table using greater than and equals to sign, which is I am highlighting over here, and greater than sign, which is this one. So let's start with the session. As usual, I am going to select right now raw information without applying any kind of predicate logic in the where clause, uh, and get all the data from human resource dot employee table. So here's the data. There's actually lots of data in it, and there we can apply multiple predicate logics over it. But right now I am applying my predicate logic over organizational level column. In my where clause, I am actually asking about, like, I would like to see all the data which is actually greater than 1. It means that I don't want to see the values which contain 1, and do not want to see values which are actually having any kind of null involved in it. So when I will execute this statement, I will get the information in which organizational level is 2, 3 and 4, right? These three values. So let's execute it. Okay, now I am having all the values containing organizational level, having value of 2, 3 and 4, and there is a lot of information with respect to this organizational level, and beyond that organizational level there is no information, right? So if I say, like, I would like to see all the values, all the data with respect to organizational level having greater than or equal to 3, it means that I don't want to see 2, I don't want to see 1, I don't want to see null in it, but all the values which are actually equals to 3 and equals to 4. Sorry, yeah, equals to 3 and greater than 3. It does also mean, like, equals to 4 as well. So when I will execute this statement, I am getting only those rows which contains 3 and 4, right? So let's come to another example. In the human resource dot employee table, I am selecting the birth date column as well. So this birth date column is actually contains the information not numerical but date, and there is a and this is actually SQL Server uh, built-in facility. Like, SQL Server will by default use greater than or equals to operator with respect to date. It's a kind of like overload functionality of greater than and equals to with respect to dates. So here right now what I am saying, like, I would like to see all the information where birth date is greater than 1979, 01 and 21. So there is a date 1952-09-27, which is actually less than 1979-01-21 provided in my expression over here. So what I am actually asking, I need to exclude all the data which is less than this date, and I would like to include all the data which is greater than this date. And this date in itself will not be included because there is a greater than sign involved over here, right? And when I will execute this statement right now, there are 290 rows, and if I execute this statement, I'm just going to get 144 rows. I have got only 144, right? And the birth date is 1979, 1980, 1981, 1982, 1983. So I am getting all the information which is actually greater than this particular date. Same goes if I would like to include the date in itself, with the expression within itself. Like, I am saying, like, I would also would like to see all the birthdays which are equals to 1979 and 0121 and greater than. So when I will select the statement, I am getting the birth date of 1979 0121. So this is the operation of greater than or equal to sign and greater than sign. So I am hopeful like you guys will like this video. Thank you so much.